In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a big city. We're just going to take a door on the really bottom. Right now we're just going to put these really cool ones. They're like in real life. But they work that way. Because if you want to make a castle, you could. Whoa. And then we're going to put these on the top. There's really small magnets that you maybe could see. So tall! Tallest tower in the world. These. So we're going to have the campfire over here. And now we're just going to make another camping tent. Right now we're going to start building the house. That's when we could start building the backyard. We have this one, and this one. Or if you want to make it longer, you could do this and have that one right there. And we could make a table of these ones. Take one of these, put it right there. And then they work just fine. You can have a window be here, just for the door. Then we have a room right here. Have another room right here. Have another room right here. Then that's when we can put on the roof. Right now we're gonna have the upstairs, the railing. You can put this up here. It fits, but then it's kind of steep. So cool. Whoa. And I'm just gonna put it right there. Looks like now I'm gonna just move the train because there's gonna be a train coming through. Wow, so cool. And now I'm just gonna move the other pair of the train. That is gonna go in the back. So far, I built a lot of stuff. And that's a car, since there's only one. I can go around the building. Whoa, scream! I'm gonna get crashed. So they built this really tall tower. We built the White House, backyard, camping, another camping, houses, cars, and more. But for now, give me a huge thumbs up, click the subscribe button, turn notifications. See you guys later. Bye! And if you want, you can watch the other videos where we make a cruise ship and a big house.